one of the real strengths of this festival is the collaboration between poets, the reading of each other's work in various languages of the Mediterranean and around. And that strength comes from the translation workshops that happened just before the festival.
About the translation workshop we had here in Malta, I really enjoyed it a lot because we spent 4 days with poets from all the world, and we spent the days all together working on our text, knowing each other, and it was just a magical experience to share the poetry and to share our lives and to share the I don't want to use the word soul, but I will use it, the soul of our poetry. So it was the most amazing experience of translation.
So my organization, called the Croatian Association of Writers, and the festival is member of Literature Europe Live project and Literature Cross Frontiers platform, which I find to be quite important, of a big significance, for one reason mainly, and that's giving emphasis on small languages. Because coming from the country, which language is spoken only by the few, I must admit that it's not sometimes easy to cope with the big languages. So projects of this kind are very welcomed.
U tal-limt nista' ngħid li minn hawnhekk indunajt kemm għad baqa' titgħallem, kemm qed tinħoss nitgħallem. Esperjenza vera sabiħa, mhux se nagħmilha.
So I write poetry myself, and I had a chance to read at the open mic organized by Antoine Cassard the other day, and it was such a special experience because there were so many wonderful people, and especially young women and all different sorts of people performing, and it was really beautiful to see people being promoted in that way. So I understand that Malta is definitely a great place for literature, and I am very lucky to be here.
Now we're here visiting the literary festival here in Malta, and it's been a great experience for me. I had never visited the country, the island, and so far I'm very impressed. It's a city with great culture, and they managed to mix it well with the festival. The festival is here in this great location at the fort, so the festival is very much a part of the city, and it has indeed been a great experience.
This is my 4th year coming to Malta for the festival. I have the greatest respect for it. I think it is very, very special. It is very, very intimate, and the final readings on the last 3 days, it's like seeing a family who have been very focused and coming together.
I read today, I read 6 poems, and what I enjoyed most about it is that I was not reading on my own. So there were people who had translated my work to Kurdish, to Malay, and to Maltese, and we read together, and I tried to find different voices. I'm very much interested in the different voices of poetry, the polyphony that is created, and the multiple meanings, the layers of meanings that can be brought out. And I think that is the most fruitful bit of the festival.
ħaġa oħra għalija li kienet xi ħaġa sabiħa li ħarġet mill-okkażjoni ta' dan il-festival hija li flimkien ma' Abigail ippubblikajna it-traduzzjonijiet li għamilna lil xulxin. Kienet l-ewwel darba li jiena introduċejt xogħol ta' ħaddieħor u l-istess kien għaliha.
Dan il-festival tal-Letteratura tal-Mediterranju dan huwa ideali barra l-post li huwa veru sabiħ hawnhekk sentirnu, u li l-ewwel poeżija tiegħi llum se tkun marbuta ma' Santirmu. Barrek dan jagħti opportunità lil poeti żgħażagħ u inqas żgħażagħ biex jesprimu lilhom infushom f'kuntest internazzjonali. Ta' dan wieħed għandu jirringrazzja inizjament u partikolarment lil Adrian Green.
I was in different poetry festivals, but this one is very special for me because it's not a big festival. The number of invited poets is very, very important. Sometimes when there are 100 poets, it's not possible to know each other, and here we have the possibility to speak with all the poets, be together and know us, each other.
C'est une belle expérience, c'est extraordinaire pour moi parce qu'avec les autres poètes dans le monde, on est loin dans le lieu géographique, mais on est très proche dans l'écriture.
ومهرجان وجدته نوعي بشكل نوعي، وجدته مهرجانا ممتازا وناجحا على جميع الأصعدة، لأنه أعطانا فرصة كي نلتقي بشعراء آخرين من بلدان أخرى من ثقافات أخرى، وكان لدينا عمل يومي تقريبا بأن نتشارك أشعارنا ونترجم أشعارنا إلى لغات أخرى.
I'm really happy to be here. I'm grateful for that honor. I had the opportunity to get to know several different important poets and writers from different countries. It was very inspiring. I really liked the experience.
And it was an experience, a very interesting experience to contact, understand, see new tendencies and appreciate new works, and appreciate the diversity and multiplicity of languages that we felt how they can be in harmony, and only in literature languages really can be in harmony.
So I'm very fortunate to have taken part in this translation workshop, which has been my first ever. So the last few days has been amazing. I think working with a whole range of writers from different nationalities, different styles of writing, having different perspectives, and I think I've gained more than I've given, perhaps.
Il-festival kien suċċess kbir, ħafna nies li qed joqorbu lejn il-letteratura u għalhekk prosit kbira lill-inizjament f'din il-11 edizzjoni ta' dan il-festival tant importanti.